Hi friends, I'm Rihana. Welcome to my channel. Now let's make some chicken momos quickly. This is a two-step process. First step is to make filling. To make the filling, to a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and splutter fennel seeds. Lightly saute the finely chopped garlic. Just as the garlic becomes fragrant, add in the chopped onions and saute till it is translucent. Now add in the shredded chicken and mix well. This shredded chicken that I have used is from the chicken stock that I have made the day before. The video on how to make chicken stock will be in the description box below. Now we will add some black pepper powder as well as some garam masala and mix well. I have added some freshly chopped coriander leaves followed by a tablespoon of soy sauce. With that, our filling is ready now. Let's move on to step 2, which is to make the momo dough. The dough is made with some all-purpose flour, salt and water. All measurements are given in the description box below. Take a lime-sized ball from the dough and roll it out into a circle like this. Try to make it as round as you can. However, if you are unable to do so, you can use a cookie cutter also. I have greased the surface of a plate with a few drops of oil. This is so that the momos do not stick to the plate or each other. Now we will fill the pastry with the chicken filling that we made earlier. Now to secure it and make it look appetizing, let's fold it into half and press on the edges with a fork. I will show you once again how we can do that easily. So our momos are ready to go into the steamer. I am steaming this in an idli steamer. You have to grease the surface of the steamer plate with some oil. If you have bamboo steamer, you can use that as that is the traditional way of making momos. I have already heated the idli steamer so that the water in it is boiling. Make sure you don't skip this step. Now let us place the momos into the steamer one by one. Close the steamer and cook it for 6 to 7 minutes. And that's it. Our tasty momos will be ready to eat in 6 to 7 minutes. Serve it with some momo chutney and I'm sure that you all will love it. So comment down below if you would like me to make a video on how to make the momo chutney. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share with your friends and family. Please do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. So see you soon in another episode with another simple recipe. You all take care till the time. Bye bye.